Have you ever ordered a takeaway meal from a restaurant? Perhaps a mee goreng, steamy, hot, and delicious. Yum! What container is the mee goreng kept in? Probably something you're familiar with, something that's light and white. The container is commonly known as styrofoam, or polystyrene for chemists, which is a type of polymer. Did you know? We shouldn't be putting hot foods or drinks in polystyrene because the heat from the food has the potential to start a partial breakdown of the polystyrene, leaching toxic substances such as styrene and benzene. When we consume the food, these toxins can be absorbed into our bloodstreams and tissues, which pose health risks to humans. Research has shown that styrene exhibits toxicity to humans by attacking the central and peripheral nervous system. Another example of its safety hazard is when it's burned. As it combusts, toxic fumes such as styrene and carbon monoxide are released and might be inhaled by us. These fumes has the potential to be a carcinogen, or worse,
killing us.
How about the plastics that we use daily? We know plastics are scary. The plastics that we use not only threaten the aquatic life, but they may also harm humans. How, you may ask? Plastic waste that aren't managed properly get thrown in the river and eventually pollute oceans. Oceans, where marine animals live, like fish, mistake it for food and eat it. When the plastics is ingested by the fish, it is broken down to smaller bits called microplastics. This causes their diets to consist of 80% of microplastic. Microplastics can also be present after the degradation of the plastics that pollute our ocean. Places that obtain their water supply from the ocean are highly affected because the water they use may contain traces of the small bits. Moreover, salts extracted from the oceans may contain traces of microplastic without our knowledge. All these things we take from the ocean are used in meal preparation and will eventually be served on our plates. Plastics are notoriously known for its long decomposition time. If consumed, these microplastics will remain in our body and accumulate. In sufficient amounts, these microplastics may ultimately cause cells to die as it passes through our circulatory system and organs. As a conclusion, we need to be conscious on the use of polystyrenes and plastics. For example, bringing your own food containers for takeaways. This reduces the risk of chemicals leaching into your food from the polystyrenes that the restaurant provide. It is even better if we choose to dine in at the restaurant. The best thing that we can do for now is to reduce the usage of plastics in our daily life.